it's Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and today's tutorial is the most adorable gift to just hand on over, and so quick and so simple. So let's jump into it. Alright you guys, I'm so excited for this tutorial. Again, I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, where we carry the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States. And today's gonna be a super quick. This is great for either a May Day gift, or a Mother's Day gift, or just a gift in general. We're gonna make the most adorable tiny little bouquet and then just wrap it in the sweetest way ever. That also makes me a little hungry. It does. Not gonna lie. So let's jump into it. For this tutorial, you are going to need your greenery for your bouquet. We've got this lovely light pink eucalyptus in the shop that I'm absolutely obsessed with. So I finally am gonna play with that. We've got some spring laurel. We've got some faux baby's breath. We've got some Dusty Miller that's in the more yellow tones. We've got some eucalyptus. All of this can be found, if it's not already out of stock, at ohyourlovely.com. Then we've got our sola wood flowers. I do have some bright pink ones in there just for a pop of color. The flower styles I have is Charleston, Frida, I can't remember your name, Begonia. This is Shasta, Sensation. This one might be out of stock. Lovely, what came out of you? Oh, I'll explain in a second. I don't know what's going on. And this guy's new. And for all that is good and wonderful, I cannot remember its name. If you really love that flower, just leave me a message in the comments. I'll let you know what it is. And then what was falling out of the flowers, I don't think we're gonna have this in the shop, or we were just playing around with it and testing it out. Maybe we will at some point. But we have, I don't know if I'm gonna say it right, larkspur. It's just beautiful in this pink, but it fluffs off. There's a ton that fluffs off all the time, and you start, oh sure, make me a liar. A ton was fluffing off just a minute ago. And then I also have some preserved billy balls. That's the name. I didn't make it up. I think there's some people call them buttons maybe. Billy buttons? I don't know. But billy balls, that's what I know them as. The most important thing to make the cutest piece of whatever holding of your bouquet that makes me hungry. Craft paper. The paper itself doesn't make me hungry. The shape that it makes and what it represents and what it looks like to me when we're done, I think you know where this is going, makes me think of something that I absolutely love, and then it makes me hungry. All right, now we can start crafting. So the first thing we're gonna do, besides knock everything out that's off camera, can you see? I just knocked that whole big piece of craft paper. So get yourself a square-ish. I'm not big on making things perfect, and guys, I have larkspur in my hair. Nobody said a thing. Just noticed it from the side. It's probably still gonna be in there. Anywho, sorry. Shiny happy squirrel. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick a point, and then we're gonna round this off. You could get real fancy and actually figure out how you want to round it so it's perfectly rounded. No, I don't. I don't do that. I don't know. It's like a baseball diamond now, right? Is that the right sports analogy? And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna kind of bring this over here. I'll bring this over here. Grab some handy dandy tape. Tape it right there. And what do you have? An ice cream cone. No, Stephanie, it's not an ice cream cone. It's a floral bouquet holder. It's an ice cream cone. Ice cream holder, I mean bouquet holder. It's an ice cream cone. It's an ice cream holder. It's an ice cream holder. Does anybody ever say that? But now it's the new thing. Our bouquet holder which looks like an ice cream cone, ice cream, is ready. So let's start working on our bouquet. Does anybody else want ice cream now? I'm so sorry if you do. So I'm gonna start with my greenery, like a normal, but this one's gonna be a little bit different. I think we're gonna do a little bit of greenery to get like our build of our back base, and then we're gonna bring the flowers in and we're gonna build all simultaneously. So I'm gonna use some of my taller greenery first, which would be my eucalyptus is gonna be my back, okay? So it's gonna face this way. And I'll grab a little bit of the laurel, the spring laurel, and then this lovely pink stuff is nice and tall too. So we'll get that kind of in the back. Okay, so our back base, if you will, has been built. I'm gonna grab my largest flower first. That's gonna be really the star. And you could, something like this, you could just do one large beautiful flower and you're good to go. We're gonna add it a little bit more, but we'll still. So now what I'm doing is I'm grabbing and I'm bringing some of the smaller flowers, but I want it higher up. And like I said, we're gonna then start building around the flowers with other greenery. So I'm gonna have a pop of that in there. I am gonna take, now it's gonna get a little fickle at first, especially when you're working with one of these like smaller bouquets and things start shifting and moving. But we're gonna have this forward facing, so I am taking some of my wires and I'm twisting and pulling them forward. I'm doing that. God, I really wish I could do this. No. All right, now it is dark enough and night enough, but I'm not gonna. All right, so those three are just gorgeous, but we're gonna keep building. And I'll decide when I've had enough of building. I'm not sure yet. I do want to find the right flower where I don't have to have it forward facing, but I haven't found that one yet. Probably one of the roses. Let's get that in there. This is like a sorbet. It's a flower sorbet. Yes, indeedly. Oh, that's so cute. Let's get another pop of pink. All right, so that's, oh my God, this is so dang cute. Look at you, so cute. All right, so we're adjusting a little bit. I really am loving this Dusty Miller in particular for this piece. It's super cute. All right, add a little bit on that side too. Kind of going all over the place. Don't know that I love that baby's breath though. Don't know that I'm loving it all that much. Oh, there we go. Maybe that one. I just needed a better one to frame everything. All right, let's grab in some pops of fun whimsy with the Billy balls. We're just gonna kind of flip those in. And these are kind of all kinds of crazy as far as the stems go. So that's a little fun. I'm gonna kind of go where they want to go. And we're just gonna be like, all right, buddy, you do you. That sounds like fun. Get one nestled in there. They're pretty hardy stems, but you can't really bend them all that much to get them to go where you want them. So be aware of that. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so that's where we're at. And then the larkspur, we're gonna put that, I'm gonna poke him through. Hopefully this all fits in our bouquet holder, not our ice cream cone. I think it will. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab some vinyl tape. So that's gonna go up a little bit higher than I normally would like it. I'd probably want it a little bit lower just in case, depending on how it sits in my delicious cone. Whoops, we lost one. It's all right. Now, if you're giving this as a gift, I think what I would do is finish off the little bouquet handle itself with like a ribbon or something else so that they can take it out of their lovely ice cream cone, bouquet holder, and put it in a vase or something else. But to gift it to your lovely recipient, there you go. Oh my God, it's so stinking cute. Don't you just want to eat it? It does. Like, and I'm gonna hide my seams. on the back. Doesn't that look, if that's not an ice cream cone of flowers, I don't know what is. And now I really want ice cream. You could even, if you really wanted to get cute and peachy, like paint your craft paper beforehand, polka dots, little hearts, make a little waffle cone type design. Actually, we did a project years ago. Okay, now I'm gonna digress. We did a project years ago that I used, what was it? Not twine, like burlap ribbon, and made it to look like an ice cream cone. Oh my God, I love that project so much. I'll see if I can find it. It was years ago. All right, I'm done babbling, so let's do the YouTubey things. If you're loving these videos, can't get enough, wanna know when the next one goes live, make sure to, subscribe. And what's that thing we want you to do? Oh yeah, ring that bell to find out about the 150 style sola wood flowers, along with craft supplies and greenery. Go to ohyourlovely.com. And that's not all. If you're new around here, you're like, what are these flowers this girl is talking about? Always talking about. Well, you know what? You can give them a try. Get 30% off your first order using the code YouTube30. All right, guys, I'm gonna go try not to eat ice cream. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be really hard, but I'm gonna try. Have a lovely night. We'll see you super soon. This is Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys.